Hey everyone, welcome back to Help Email Tales. So, if your Outlook has suddenly stopped receiving emails, don't worry, you're not alone. This is a super common issue and it usually happens because of a small glitch or a service running in the background. The good news is it's really easy to fix. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through a couple of simple steps that anyone can do. Just follow along, and by the end of this video, your Outlook should be back to normal. Method 1. Add account again. Alright, first you need to open your Outlook. Once it's open, just head over to the left corner and click on File. Now you're gonna see an account settings drop down. Go ahead and click on that. From that drop down, click on Account Settings again. Once the window pops up, just double click on your email account. Alright, now in the Exchange Account Settings window, all you have to do is click on Next. Now, the Account Successfully Updated window will open. Here, just click on Done. And finally, just hit a little refresh icon on the top left. Alright, if the first method didn't do the trick, we've got another. Sometimes the Google Updater keeps running in the background, messing things up. So now we have to disable the Google Updater services. Method 2. Disable Google Updater. Click on the Start menu. In the search bar, type Services and open it. Now, in the Services window, scroll down till you find the Google Updater services. Make sure all the Google Updater services are disabled. If you have any Google Updater service showing disabled, click on it. Then, in the window that pops up, select Disable in the startup type. Once that's done, just click on Apply and then hit OK. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. For more detailed and easy to follow guides, subscribe to our channel or visit helpemailtales.com. You can also contact our experts at the following numbers for seamless one-on-one assistance.